briefly on the blockchain technology while we move to a new topic today on the show. Now we're talking about transcription, how you can get to transcribe video and audio, transcribe an audio in a video, so it becomes very visible for people to get to see. So James, over to you right now. Let's touch a little bit on blockchain as we get to wrap it up. Let's not overflog it. If people want to learn more about it, they know what to do already.
Yeah, because we don't want to sound too education. You know, blockchain education is what we need.
Okay.
When you have blockchain education, you will be able to know those blockchain products that are fake. You know, you'll be able to know the fake from the original. You'll be able to identify that they are public exchange, and they are also private exchanges. You know, so a system, a project can be decentralized, and that project is a private project. So people also need to understand that. Now, the difference between having a public and private blockchain is that before the blockchain is altered, you know, before the contract is altered or tampered with, if it is a public decentralized project or blockchain, it will be seen by the community. Okay, it will be public, and in most cases, developers don't usually tamper with a public smart contract, you know, or public exchange. But when it is private, you know, the developers can just wake up one day and just alter the blockchain. So when we started the blockchain, you know, far back 2015, 2016, then, you know, the whole idea then was that anything that is called blockchain or whatever that is put on the blockchain technology cannot be altered. But things have actually changed. Those things can also be changed. But the good thing is that when they make those changes, you are going to see it on the blockchain. The members are going to see it. Okay, so that is one thing we need to understand. And there are some certain things you must really look for before you say you want to buy into any blockchain technology product, because it's not yet a regulated industry. The industry is just evolving, emerging. It's not yet regulated. And there's so much money. You know, anywhere there's money, legitimate money, is what we'll talk about on this very show. Because there's money there, because the government or the world are also focusing, you know, they are shifting from a centralized system to decentralized system. So that is why you listening to me right now should also seek education. Do less of investing in Ponzi schemes, okay? And do more of getting education, acquiring educations that will help you, that will help your financial stability. So if people have knowledge of blockchain technology, they will know that it's not it's not an industry that you invest your money into today and become rich tomorrow. It's not that type of industry. So it's an industry whereby you invest in a very good, viable project. You are willing to wait for 5 years. You wait for 5 years, and I can tell you, your life can change under 5 years. Now, when Bitcoin started, Bitcoin did not just get to $20,000 from the very first year. So there's what we call community. Community is what makes, is what builds the blockchain technology, and is what is helping most blockchain technology products to grow, because the community are the believers, you know, of a particular blockchain product. So as at the time Bitcoin started, 2009-2010, the community, the believers of Bitcoin then were very minute. Just very few people believed in it, you know. So, but as the community base grows, the value of Bitcoin started growing, keep increasing. So this is what we need to understand. Now, when Binance, BNB, started some years back, about 5 years ago now, they started at 20 cents. 20 cents was what one of their assets was valued, 20 cents. And 1 year they dragged, 2 years, 3 years, they were still dragging. The value of that of BNB was flat. But the third year, it shoot up. It shoot up the third year. It skyrocketed the third year, the fourth year, and that is how something that somebody bought at 20 cents grew from 20 cents to almost $500. So it simply means that, Vaughn, if you had invested 500 USD about 4-5 years ago, you will be sitting on over $1 million plus. Wow. That is how it works. Wow. So if you are to compare investing in real estate, I would say real estate investment is superb, it's good. Okay? It's very, very good. But if you understand blockchain technology, you will discover that you can actually make more, because the industry of blockchain is still at that stage, at the beginner stage. It's not yet tapped. A lot of people have not actually gone into deeper into it. So, which means still an untapped industry that people can actually make a lot of money from if you have the right education. And I tell you, Vaughn, mentorship is very, very required. I want to say, before you say you want to buy into any asset, you want to make research, you want to reach out to your mentor. Can I go ahead and buy this? You know, there are some assets that they are just, they are short-time digital assets. Short-time in the sense that you can only go in and make money in a very short time, maybe within 3 months. Okay. While the best assets are those that are long-term. And Ethereum is one of them. Okay. Ethereum, Phantom is one of them.
Before you go, listen, guys. These are the assets you can get to probably invest in right now. Like we always say, investment is very risky. You never can tell. You never can tell what happens. It's a 50-50 thing. You can invest today and Ethereum will go down. You can invest today and few of these assets will go down. But hey, it's very important that you invest. All right, go ahead.
So, as I was saying, a project like Ethereum, you know, is a very good project. Okay. Any project that is built on Ethereum, fantastic. And of course, Binance, you know, Binance is also a very good project. So, if you have any project that is like Binance, you know, and they have a very good structure. They must a good blockchain project must have what we call tokenomics. This is where they explain how the distribution of their token, if it's a DeFi project. A DeFi project simply means decentralized project. So if it's a decentralized project, then people will get, it means that it has a future. It means there's transparency. Because one of the uniqueness of blockchain is transparency. Transparency to the core, that everybody can see whatever that is happening. You cannot tamper with whatever that has been signed on the blockchain. So if you are able to understand all of this, and of course there must be a white paper, there must be a light paper before you can, the company must have a face. Okay, do not buy any of these projects that the CEO, the developers doesn't have a face. It means that they can just rug pull anytime. Just rug pull your money anytime, and you lose money. So this is why a lot of people lose money in the blockchain emerging market. Because I say to you again, the second largest financial market in the world right now is the cryptocurrency market. Okay, take it or you like it. And that is why you see government of the day are looking for way they can integrate blockchain into their system, okay, to grow the economy. The dollar is not really doing very well right now because of this very market. The currencies of the world are being challenged. So what those countries are now doing, you can imagine without US and Canada giving access to Binance, Binance will not be able to operate. True. Binance is not from Africa, but Africans, Nigerians are the they are the largest investor on that particular platform. Okay. But the US, the Canadian government, they are making money from Binance. From every transactions that we do on Binance, they are making money. Yeah, okay. So this is exactly what the Nigerian government needs to also do. They need to strike a deal with some of these exchanges. See how these exchanges can begin to pay tax to the Nigerian government and allow them to do their businesses. Because whether we like it or not, we have a whole lot of our youth that are already embracing this technology. The easiest way to actually connect to true wealth is in blockchain technology. So I just hold it there. Then for you that you really want the knowledge, okay. After the show, you can reach out to me. I give education. The education I give for free. The one I can give for free, I will give for free. The one that you have to pay for, then you have to pay for it. But I tell you, if you go to google.com, you go to youtube.com, you make your research, you see people that their life changes, that change their entire life with ordinary investment of $100 in the blockchain market, in the blockchain industry, with $100. Some people life changing with ordinary $50. Okay, so it is all about the information. If you have the right information at the right time, that is when you can become rich. But if you lack that information at the right time, you may not be rich. So, there's this general mindset, which I really need to say before we go further, or before we move to another topic, is that people always, when they watch Arise News, or when they watch TV, and they see it in the news that the price of Bitcoin has done maybe 3,000%, 500%, that is when people want to invest.
Want to jump on it.
That's when they want to jump on it.
It's very expensive.
Now, when you jump on it, this is what happened, Vaughn. What happened is that those people that bought low are going to sell. They are going to dump it on you. Because you are joining when the market is at its peak. It's booming. So the chances that you are going to lose at that very time is like 99.9%. So the best time to actually buy is when the market is very, very low, when it is not attractive, when newspapers are not talking about it, when people are not talking about it, when it's not attractive. That is when you should buy. And if you are thinking of buying maybe Bitcoin and all of these already fully established digital assets, you may not be thinking right, okay? It may not be a very good investment decision. But if you go for digital assets that are still below $1, that's the secret I'm giving out right now. If you go for those ones that are below $1, the chances that they are going to eat $5 is very, very high. The chance that they will get to $100 is also very high. The chance that they will get to $1,000 in 5-10 years is also very, very high. So whatever you are putting in it, just keep it there for the future.
Keep it there for the future, because you never can tell what will happen in the future. So it's very important that you open up your ears and open up your heads to listen to what we're telling you right here on the Financial Solution Show, talking about the Fin Solution Show. Like he said, at the end of today, you get to give out a few information so you can get to reach him if you need more education on the blockchain technology. He talked about a free lecture or free education for you. And if you want to master it, you definitely have to pay something to master it. Stay with us right here on the Jordan Breakfast Show. This is the Financial Solution Show. We're back in a bit after we'll pay some bills. When we come back, we get to go straight into our new discussion, talking about our new topic, which is a transcribing right here on the Financial Solution Show. Do you want to become a master of transcription? Or do you want to become a master of subtitling also? Stay with us. We're back here in a bit.
And then you are okay. No good. Just finish. We are starting with another one.
Many girls them calling, but baby me I don't pick. Cause this is you I'm wanting. Only you girl I'm loving. Baby open your curtain. Cause me I got you something. Make this young girl do continue. Want it to
let's do something. Do you mind we pick maybe 1 or 2 calls for blockchain?
Okay. Should we pick?
Yeah, let's just pick 1 or 2 calls. Then before we go into the new topic, yeah. Okay.
We link up, send me location, make a meet up. I am the best guy you can think of. See us we fight together for picture. And I because of you, I live in Kechi and Noima. Me person